Who of you have used bartwr before? Okay, like 1/3. In this workshop of today, we are going to do a few things. Basically, first we're going to try bartwr itself. So just the user interface, the decentralized exchange where Bert and Chris told about. So that's just doing a trade on bartwr. Then next to that, we are going to set up a liquidity provider, but again using the graphical user interface. So it's really easy to see how that works. So this is the bartwr application. It runs on every OS. It's right now loading coins, and soon you will see the exchange overview. There it is. So this is what you're going to see. Right? This is the application, and here, for example, you can trade coins by clicking on the trade you want and clicking buy. That's essentially what the first part of the workshop is. Second part is setting up your liquidity provider using the GUI, and then the third step is actually doing that using a terminal. Because when you use the terminal to trade, to be a liquidity provider, you have way more options you can select. For example, you can auto-trade with bartwr in the future. And it can start automatically when you start your computer, for example. And when you're using a Raspberry Pi, when you just connect the cable of your without the keyboard, without the mouse, etc., it auto starts your liquidity provider process. You don't have to do anything about it. So
we need to install it on. I need to install it in the Raspberry or on my computer.
Yes. And if you're a liquidity provider, it's the best if you're online 24/7. And therefore, it's good to have, for example, a Raspberry Pi or a dedicated computer or a server in the cloud that you rent, because then it can run 24/7. Then you earn the most profit, and you don't lose money when you stop your computer when there is an ongoing trade, because then you lose your deposit, as Chris just showed. Bob loses its deposit of 15% extra. Okay. Yeah. So those are the missions. So just doing the trades, setting up your liquidity provider, and then after the lunch is at 1 p.m. We go into the setting up the terminal.